So let's continue the Mahajanpadas. The next Mahajanpada is Kuru. The capital of Kuru was Indraprasth, and Kuru Mahajanpada was probably, it was born in the vicinity of Kurukshetra. So Kuru Mahajanpada, maybe it is born in the vicinity, it is too near of Kurukshetra, means in the vicinity of Kurukshetra, means it was near Kurukshetra area. Now the next is Matsya. Matsya capital is Viratnagar, and it is actually in Rajasthan. So this area is Matsya Mahajanpada, Viratnagar, it is capital, and this Mahajanpada is in Rajasthan. And it laid to the west of Panchals and to the south of the Kurus. So this was actually situated in south of the Kurus and to the west of the Panchals. Now, next is Chedi. Chedi's capital was Sothivati, and Chedi Mahajanpada is also mentioned in Rigveda. Its capital was Sothivati, Suktimati, or Sothivati Nagara. All three are different names for one name. So actually, there are three different names, but the capital is only one. So it is Sothivati, Suktimati, Sothivati Nagar. This was the capital of Chedi Mahajanpada. Next is Avanti. Avanti's capital was Ujjaini or Mahismati. So Avanti had also played a very important role in the emergence of Buddhism. Now Avanti's capitals were Ujjaini, which was northern section, and Mahismati was the southern part. Then we have Gandhara. Gandhara's capital was Takshila, and Takshila was the capital, so it was called Takshashila. Now modern Peshawar, Rawalpindi, Pakistan, as well as the Kashmir Valley, this were the areas of Gandhara. So Gandhara region encompassed the modern Peshawar, Rawalpindi, Pakistan, as well as the Kashmir Valley. Now Atharvaveda also mentions about Gandhara Mahajanpada. Kamboj Mahajanpada, the capital of Kamboj Mahajanpada was Poonch, and Poonch was the capital of Kamboj, and it is located in modern day Kashmir and Hindu Kush region. So Kamboj Mahajanpada, this encompassed the modern day Kashmir area and Hindu Kush region, and its capital was Poonch. Now Ashmak. Ashmak's capital was Potali or Podana, and it was on the banks of Godavari river. Now Ashmak is a Mahajanpada which is situated in the south. This is the only Mahajanpada which is situated in southern India. I mean, south of Vindhyas it is situated. The next Mahajanpada we have, it is Vajji. Vajji's capital was Vaishali, and Vajjis actually ruled the state which was north of Ganga in the Tirhut division. So this was a Mahajanpada which is situated in the north of Ganga in the Tirhut division. Then we have Malla. Malla's capital was Kushinara, and Malla is a Mahajanpada which is mentioned in both Buddhist and Jain scriptures as well as also in Mahabharata. Malla was a democratic republic.